Dear students, myself Dr. Deepu, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology. I'll be dealing with the overview about the module. So, in this module, the others will be dealing with the skeletal muscle relaxants. Dr. Divya Bhargavan, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, will be there along with me for giving you the insight about the different sections in this through the different videos. Okay, so we have 7 sections in this module. So about the skeletal muscle relaxants. Skeletal muscle relaxants are the ones which are used to relax the muscles, skeletal muscles. Why you want to relax the skeletal muscles? These for any surgical procedures. So along with the general anesthetic for the proper muscle relaxation or any spastic conditions if you want to give due to any neurological disorder or during endotracheal intubation process, laryngoscopy, endoscopy, gastroscopy, esophagoscopy. In all such conditions, for short procedures, you have to relax the skeletal muscles. And in addition to that, even for the management of the tetanus or during electroconvulsive therapy to avoid the trauma and the injury, all these cases we prefer to give skeletal muscle relaxants. So these are your learning objectives. So at the end of the module, you should be able to classify and describe the structure, function, correlation of the same, and describe the structure of the neuromuscular junction and transmission of impulses, describe the action potential and its properties in different skeletal muscle, describe the mode of the muscle contraction, isometric and isotonic contractions, should be able to classify the skeletal muscle relaxants, you should be able to describe the mechanism of action, the types, different doses, side effects, the indications and contraindications of the skeletal muscle relaxants. So in section 1, the introductory video on the overview of the module, this is just an introduction. Section 2, it will be for 60 minutes duration with a video, lecture video by Dr. Divya on organization of the skeletal muscles, where different types of skeletal muscles and all will be discussed, and then you will be having a known graded activity and the reading resources also will be provided. Section 3, that is about duration of about 60 minutes, where I will be dealing with the different videos on neuromuscular junction, neuromuscular transmission, okay, and we'll be having some extra videos which has been from the outsourced videos will be heard there. You'll be having non-graded activity. Then section 4 is of 120 minutes duration. That is mainly with the muscle contraction, muscle excitation, contraction coupling, isometric versus isotonic contractions. All this section 4 Dr. Divya will be doing for you, and you will be having as an assignment after this section 4, which will be a graded assignment that you have to upload the document in the form of a Word format or in a PDF format. So all those instructions will be giving to you, and followed by that you will be having a discussion forum where you are giving a topic. So you have to give your inputs based on that particular topic, and then you will be having a non-graded activity of the section 4 and the reading resources will be provided. Section 5 is of 180 minutes duration. In this section, I'll be dealing with non-depolarizing and depolarizing neuromuscular blockers, and based on that we'll be having a non-graded activity, and we'll be having some extra videos and the reading resources will be provided, and Dr. Divya will be dealing with the directly acting muscle relaxant and centrally acting muscle relaxant. And the section 5 is of 60 minutes duration, where you will be having an end module test. So in end module test, you'll be having 15 MCQs of each 1 marks, which carries 1 marks, so total 15 marks. I'll be having 5 short notes of 3 marks each, so total 15 marks again. So total it is of 30 marks. You will be having a end module test. It's a time test and only single attempt, where no negative marking. And the completion of this module requirements is 60% in all the assignments and the quizzes, and minimum 75% in the end module test. So that's a requirement for the completion of this module. So and the last, that is a section 5, that is for the 15 minutes duration, that you will be giving the feedback for the based on all the your video clarity or the sound clarity, or if you have any doubts or queries, anything that we can discuss, we will be having a separate discussion forum also. Okay, so that's all about this overview of the module. Thank you, dear students.